The more I learn about communication, the more I learn that there is to learn. My name's Russ Peterson Jr. I'm the co-author of Corporate Ovations, and I wanted to welcome you in advance to the workshop that you're about to take. My first professional presentation was done in the summer of 1991 to a Fortune 500 company, and I'll tell you that it did not go well. It was that day that I decided I'm going to become a student of communication. And over the years, through the research, the experience, the knowledge, we've developed the workshop that you're about to take. I wanted to set your expectations for when you come to class of what to expect. First of all, you're not going to need your laptop. We're not creating any slides in this workshop. You will be presenting in front of the audience, and so what I need you to do is come with an idea of something that you could present on. Probably a business example where you would be up speaking in front of an audience. One thing you're going to receive in the workshop is coaching and feedback, not just from one of our instructors, but you'll receive it from your peers in the classroom as well. And we ask that you come in with the expectation that you're going to receive that. In other words, be open to hearing their opinions. If you will come with an idea of something to present on and be open to the coaching and the feedback, there is one thing that I can guarantee you, that you will leave that workshop with some new communication tools that some of our former students have actually called life-changing. We look forward to seeing you in class.